We're in downtown Los Angeles today, visiting the Broad to explore Japanese artist, musician and peace activist Yoko Ono's exhibition, Music of the Mind. Even before entering the museum, we get our first glimpse of the exhibition with wish trees for Los Angeles, where visitors are invited to write down their wishes and tie them to the olive trees outside the building, filling the installation with collective hopes and dreams. Spanning 7 decades of Ono's practice, from the mid-1950s to the present day, the exhibition explores her groundbreaking approach to conceptual art. The title Music of the Mind reflects Ono's belief that art comes alive in the mind, where ideas take center stage over physical objects. Her work invites us to imagine, interpret, and participate. This exhibition is highly interactive. Throughout the galleries, many of the works exist as simple instructions rather than traditional artworks, encouraging visitors to engage, imagine, and become active collaborators. Every person's participation shapes the work, making each piece and every experience completely unique. Long before interactive installations became common, Yoko Ono was already exploring them alongside a practice that blurred the boundaries between visual art, performance, film, music, language, and activism. Ono's lifelong commitment to peace is also woven into the exhibition. In 1968, she and John Lennon planted acorns as a living sculpture at the Coventry Cathedral in England. Then, after their wedding in 1969, they expanded the idea, mailing acorns to world leaders and encouraging them to plant the seeds as symbols of peace. Where find most inspiring about this exhibition is its celebration of imagination and collaboration. Ono embraces the beauty of letting go of control, inviting others to complete the work in ways she could never predict. The artwork is constantly evolving, making each visit a different experience. Hi, I'm Naomi, a creative director, and this is your window into the creative world. Come along and I'll see you next time.